of Mr. Burris of Burris Son Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. You know, you want to say your name?
My name is Philippi Ascar, Phillippe. The last name is Ascar, like your car.
Okay, and you have been doing business. How long has Mr. Burris been doing work for you?
I know Mr. Burris over 35 years.
5 years?
35 years.
35 years. Do you find him to be honest, forthright, and very professional, and why?
Mr. Burris is the guy, when you go down there, he asks you, I come in here, what you need me for. I want to know exactly, so I will know what direction I should to start it.
Okay.
So then, he check it out, he give you the code, and then what's supposed to be done, how much will cost you.
And why do you recommend that people do business with Mr. Burris in Chicago, opposed to other people that do the same thing you do? Why?
Well, when the customer call you, they'll check with you to see what you will spend to them, how you talk, how it's supposed to be done, started the job and finish the job. Same thing with my professional.